Welcoming fellow warriors back to the Trading Alliance. There's something really exciting I want to talk about today, and that is the tokenization of real estate. So without further said or ado, let's get straight into it. Asset management company Elevated Returns completed the $18 million closing of Aspen Digital, a tokenized real estate offering providing investors exposure to the St. Regis Aspen Resort. This is huge news and it is so exciting. I'm going to talk about some of the benefits of tokenization of real estate. Firstly, more on Aspen Digital. Aspen Digital is among the first of its kind to successfully tokenize a trophy real estate asset. The St. Regis Aspen is an internationally recognized resort consisting of a 179-room luxury hotel with 4 on-site food and beverage outlets and 29,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor conference and banquet venues with views of the Rocky Mountains. Tokenized real estate will allow anybody to participate in the high-quality growth of real estate without the hassle of bureaucratic paperwork. There are many people out there that take more of a bricks and mortar approach to investing, as real estate has been one of the safest investments of all time, although it hasn't always been risk-free when you think about the global financial crisis. There is some inconveniences with investing in real estate, such as the lack of liquidity and all the paperwork. There is potentially a better option out there, and I want to share some of the benefits of tokenization of real estate. We have better liquidity. As I said before, real estate is a rather illiquid asset, obviously because of the paperwork involved and the involvement of so many third parties. But thanks to the process of the blockchain and tokenization, investors can now buy fractionalized tokens representing real estate backed by real estate. Tell me that isn't exciting. This makes investing in real estate much more liquid and much more easily managed. Portable investments and easier market access. Because investments are fractionalized, anybody with an internet connection and a little bit of money can invest. You don't need to worry about having $50,000 or $100,000 in the bank in order to get a piece of the cake. Far more transparency between those involved. As everything included in the contract is on the ledger, there is more transparency involved between the buyer and the seller, and obviously less third parties involved, which is a good thing as that would also reduce the fees. You could also have less legal battles. Tokenization removes any potential doubts of ownership, as the information recorded on the ledger cannot be altered. And once ownership is renounced and or stated, any and all previous transactions could be evaluated. There are many life-changing benefits to be reaped from the tokenization of real estate. We have tokenized gold, we have tokenized the US dollar, we have tokenized other real-world assets. Why can't we tokenize real estate? I'm incredibly excited for the future of this technology and what will come with it. How do you feel about it? And how long do you think it'll take before this really kicks off? We may need more regulation, slightly more centralization, and a slow adoption process in order to simplify the real estate industry. The Aspen Digital closing not only represents a new coin on the market that is asset-backed, it also establishes a blueprint for future real estate tokenization. The future of real estate investing is one that provides global exposure, transparency, public access, and liquidity, all of which are elements that can be delivered through blockchain technology. How do you guys feel about this? Would you buy fractionalized real estate? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe.